Everyone, happy new year. It's me Sonia from OTG Naturals, and today I'll be sharing with you how to make your own carrot juice with lemon and ginger and coconut milk. So I was kind of feeling weird and I decided to make this juice. So you have lots of carrots at home and they're going bad already because you didn't have time to use them. Well, I think this is the best way to actually make good use of your carrots so that they can actually work for your hair and for your skin and for you. It's beneficial for hair and it's also beneficial for our skin, but this time I decided to drink it instead of applying it to my hair. But of course you can apply it to your hair. The carrot is very good for the eyes. It helps to boost your immune system and it also stimulates hair growth while preventing hair loss. So this is a good juice that can be sprayed on hair, but at the same time I think it's better to drink it. So have fun drinking your carrot juice. Bye.